Hey guys, back here with another room tour, and right now we are in our room at Port Orleans Riverside. And this is just a standard room. It is a standard view room. We are in a preferred location, but that doesn't change how the room is any. So we are in a standard room, although I did get a room, and I'm by myself on this trip because we're here doing some work and stuff, but I got a room for 5. We are in Alligator Bayou, so there are 2 sections to Port Orleans Riverside. There's Alligator Bayou on one side of the resort, then there's the mansions. I can't remember the exact name of those on the other side of the resort. And so these rooms, these standard rooms here may differ from what you find in the other section of this resort in terms of the furnishings and things. The layouts will be pretty similar. And so here, as we came in, is our room at Port Orleans Riverside. And you'll notice pretty quick, these rooms have not been gone through the refurbishment that we're seeing at some other resorts where they are upgrading some of the things. And I'll point out some of those things as we go. I'm sure they will get upgraded at some point, but just not upgraded quite yet. Although they do have some nice features. So you've got 2 queen beds in here with the lights over the top. But they are the raised beds, so definitely going to be able to slide a suitcase under there. So some of those features are still nice. And between the 2 beds, we've got just one nightstand, and the nightstand does have built-in 2 USB ports and 2 outlets. Also, got a little sitting area with a table and a mirror over top of it. Here by the door, television up on the wall, and then again, this room is for 5, so you've got the little bench seat, but this is also where the 5th person would sleep. And so, nice little feature to this room. Of course, you would want a child or somebody like that on this bed, or somebody short. But that is included in a lot of these Alligator Bayou rooms. And cool artwork down the back. And these are super easy to put up and down. Not too hard there. You do have 3 drawers down here underneath this. To me, there is a little give and take because you don't have the big dresser that you have in a lot of rooms on property. And so you do lose out on a little bit of that storage space out here in the main part of the room. The top of this does have 4 outlets and 2 USBs. Then we come to kind of the little pantry area. You do have a couple more shelves right over here you could put things on below the coffee maker. And there is a place to hang some short stuff there. You couldn't really hang coats or anything there because the little table is below it. And then underneath here is the refrigerator. And so what I mentioned earlier, again, these rooms haven't undergone the type of renovation like we've seen at some of the values. And while I'm saying this, I'll put the nice little piece of artwork there. But they haven't undergone that same renovation. And one of the things you don't see is we've got just a curtain in between. We've got a room tour up, I know, on All Star Movies, and we've seen this in some other resorts that have been redone. They now have the sliding doors, which are a little nicer, but this one is just the curtain here separating the main area from the bathroom. So you do get that, but that is the curtain. And so coming into the bathroom area, you've got the open closet space. There's a safe around the corner. Of course, ironing bed. And then the bathroom area, 2 sinks here. And the linens down underneath the 2 sinks. And as I turn the corner into the bathroom, you can see a shower curtain, not a shower door. So again, one more of those things, just not updated like some of the rest of them, but still very nice. And the shower here, it is the curved shower rod, so it gives you a little more room in there. Of course, the normal stuff here on the wall. And so that is the bathroom. And here's the room from the other side. So overall, nice room. This is my first time to be in one of these rooms here at Riverside, one of this type. Certainly could take a little updating, but there is a good amount of space in here. I feel like it's a good size. You certainly get more size than you get in one of those rooms at a value resort, and so if you're looking at an upgrade for space in the room, you certainly get a little more in here than you do in those values. And then one final thing, I'm going to flip you back around, that I really like about this room, and if you like to sleep like me, you will appreciate these rooms have a ceiling fan. If you like the air moving while you sleep, you don't get that very often in hotels or at Disney, and so you've got a ceiling fan. But that is it from our room tour here at a standard room at Port Orleans Riverside. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel down below so we can keep bringing you travel content. Click the bell so that you can be notified when we have some more. And if you need any help planning a trip, make sure you contact us. Visit us at www.bigdreamstravelusa.com.